Do you ever feel tired all the time, even when you sleep enough?
Or maybe you say, I'll start living healthy tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes.
If that sounds like you, today's episode will change how you think about health, because living healthy doesn't have to be hard.
It can be simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Billy.
Today, we're going to talk about easy ways to live a healthy life.
Yes, this episode is not about strict diets or going to the gym every day. It's about small steps that make a big difference.
That's right. Sometimes we think being healthy means doing something very difficult, like running for hours or eating only vegetables.
But the truth is, a healthy life starts with small, consistent habits.
Exactly. So let's explore how you can build simple habits that keep your body strong, your mind calm, and your heart happy. Billy, what does living healthy mean to you?
For me, it means balance. I eat good food, drink enough water, move my body, and rest when I need to.
That's a perfect definition. Many people think health is just about food or exercise, but it's also about how you think, how you feel, and how you manage stress.
Yes, mental health is part of physical health. If you're stressed all the time, even good food won't help much.
So true. Let's start with something simple. Food. You don't need a complicated diet to eat healthy. Just try to eat more real food. Fruits, vegetables, rice, eggs, fish, chicken, and less processed snacks.
Yes, and don't forget water. Many people think they are tired, but actually they are just dehydrated.
Good point. Drink water before reaching for another cup of coffee.
And it's okay to enjoy snacks sometimes, but don't let them be your main meals.
Right. It's all about balance, not restriction. Now let's talk about movement. You don't have to go to the gym to be active.
Exactly. You can walk to the store, clean your room, dance to music, or take the stairs instead of the elevator.
Yes. Moving your body every day helps your heart, your brain, and your mood.
And it helps reduce stress too. When you move, your body releases chemicals that make you feel happier.
That's why after a short walk, everything feels a little better.
A healthy life is not only about doing more, it's also about knowing when to rest.
True. Many people forget that sleep is part of health.
When you don't sleep enough, your body can't recover and your mind becomes tired and anxious.
So sleep 7 to 8 hours if you can. And if your schedule is busy, try to rest your eyes or take a short nap during the day.
Yes, and also practice gratitude. Be thankful for the good things in your life. A positive mind keeps your body healthy too.
Hey, Billy, you look great lately. Have you been doing something different?
Thanks. I've started waking up early and walking every morning.
Oh, wow. I always want to do that, but I never wake up on time.
I used to be like that too. So I started small, just 5 minutes of walking, then it became 10, and now it's 1 hour.
That sounds easy. Maybe I should try that.
Yes, start with baby steps. And drink more water. It helps a lot.
I usually drink soda, not water.
Try switching one soda to water each day. After a week, You'll feel lighter and more energetic.
Okay, deal. Let's check in next week.
Sure, we can help each other stay healthy.
See, healthy habits can start with something as small as a short walk or one glass of water.
Yes, and the secret is not perfection, it's consistency.
Right. Doing small, healthy actions every day is better than doing big changes once and quitting.
Exactly. Many people start big and stop fast. But if you go slow, you'll go far.
Beautifully said, Billy. And remember, listeners, it's not too late to start. You can begin today.
Even now, after this podcast, take a deep breath, drink a glass of water, and stretch your body. That's already a step toward a healthier life.
One small action, one big change in mindset. Now, let's answer some common questions from our listeners about living healthy.
Question 1. What if I don't have time to exercise?
You don't need an hour to move your body. Even 10 minutes is enough. Walk while you talk on the phone, stretch while watching TV, or do squats while brushing your teeth. The point is to stay active in your daily life. Small movement adds up and helps you stay fit without needing extra time.
Question 2. Is healthy food expensive?
Not always. Healthy eating is about choosing smartly, not buying fancy products. Local fruits, vegetables, rice, eggs, tofu, or fish are affordable and nutritious. You can make simple meals like vegetable soup or omelets. Avoiding fast food can actually save money and improve your health at the same time.
Question 3. I love sweet food. How can I stop?
You don't have to stop completely. Instead, reduce slowly. Try replacing candy with fruits or yogurt. When your body gets used to less sugar, you'll start craving it less. And remember, drinking more water helps too, because sometimes thirst feels like hunger.
Question 4. How do I stay motivated to be healthy?
Great question. Motivation grows from progress. Celebrate every small win. Drinking more water, walking an extra block, or choosing salad once a week. Don't wait for perfection. Also, find a friend or family member to do it with you. Accountability keeps you motivated and makes the journey fun.
Question 5. Can mental health affect my physical health?
Absolutely. Stress, worry, and sadness can make you tired and even sick. So take care of your mind. Meditate, pray, write a journal, talk to friends, or do something creative. A happy mind creates a strong body. Your mental peace is just as important as your diet. Living healthy is not just about what you do. It's about who you become.
Yes, it's a journey of self-love. You're taking care of yourself because you deserve to feel good.
When you love your body takes care of you.
So be kind to yourself. Don't compare your progress to others.
Everyone's body is different. What matters is your effort, not perfection.
Exactly. The most important thing is to keep trying every day.
Let's share more simple tips for our listeners. Tip 1. Drink a glass of water right after you wake up. Tip 2. Eat slowly and enjoy your food. Tip 3. Sleep early. Your body heals while you rest. Tip 4. Take breaks from your phone to protect your eyes. Tip 5. Spend time outside. Sunlight gives you vitamin D. Tip 6. Laugh more. Laughter reduces stress. Tip 7. Keep your room clean. A clean space gives a clear mind.
Yes!
These are easy to do, but powerful if you do them every day.
Remember, health is not only about the body, it's also about peace of mind and kindness in your heart.
So, what have we learned today?
That being healthy doesn't have to be hard. Start small, move, eat better, sleep well, drink water, and think positive.
And if you make a mistake, like eating junk food or skipping exercise, don't feel guilty. Just start again tomorrow.
Exactly. Health is not a race, it's a lifestyle. We hope this episode reminds you that your body is your home. Take care of it. Now it's quiz time. Let's see what you've learned today. 1. What is the first thing you should drink after waking up? A. Coffee. B. Water. Answer B. Water. 2. How many hours of sleep are recommended for a healthy life? A. 5 hours. B. 7 to 8 hours. Answer B. 7 to 8 hours. 3. What can help reduce stress naturally? A. Laughter. B. Watching scary movies. Answer A. Laughter. 4. What's more important in a healthy life? A. Perfection. B. Consistency. Answer B. Consistency. 5. What helps both your body and mind stay strong? A. Positive thinking. B. Skipping breakfast. Answer A. Positive thinking. If you are listening to this right now, take a deep breath. This is your reminder that your health matters. You are not too busy, too old, or too late to start.
Yes, your body is listening to everything your mind says. So speak kindly to yourself. Instead of saying, I'm too tired, say, I'm learning to rest better. Instead of, I can't, say, I will try.
Every step counts. Every drop of water you drink, every short walk you take, every smile you give. These are signs that you care for yourself.
Health is not a punishment. It's a gift, and you deserve to enjoy it.
So take care of your body, feed your mind with good thoughts, and surround yourself with people who support your growth.
And remember, you don't need to change everything today. Just start with one small thing. One better choice every day leads to a better life.
You are strong, you are capable, and you are already doing great.
Keep going. Your future healthy self is thanking you right now.
And that's all for today's episode of Simple English Space. Remember, small actions every day make a big difference in your health. Drink water, move your body, and take care of your mind.
Yes, you don't have to be perfect. Just stay consistent and kind to yourself.
Before we go, here's our question for you. What small, healthy habit will you start today?
And for our next episode, get ready to explore how can we stay positive when life feels hard?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. See you next time, everyone. Stay healthy and happy.